several multiple factors that lead to several diseases of our body. So you can't pinpoint at one point and say, because of this you developed this. But in general, I would rather put it, majority of the problems, what we call 5 killer diseases in our body, heart attacks, paralytic strokes, diabetes, cancers. So these are 5 killer diseases which are known to be related to our lifestyles. So if we can manage to balance our lifestyles, these 5 major killer diseases can be prevented in more than 60% of the cases. So being a balanced life is what I would suggest, rather than getting into the depth of saying ketogenic diet, only protein diet, no carbs. And suddenly another news comes tomorrow, it's only carbs, no proteins. There's nothing like it. It has to be a balanced diet. It has to be a balanced diet. Nothing like you are being brought up in a home atmosphere, in a culture where you have a balanced diet. Just stick to it. Don't abuse your body. I always give an example of a rash driver versus a disciplined driver. You be a disciplined driver. When you are a rash driver, then you have 80 to 90% chances of getting into accident. If you are a disciplined driver, balanced lifestyle, balanced diet, don't ever say never do this. You can sip a peg of alcohol, nothing wrong. But be in your limits. So if you are a balanced and a disciplined driver, the chances of getting this kind of diseases prematurely, so everybody is bound to die, everybody is going to get the disease at one point of time. But getting these diseases prematurely will be prevented if you have a balanced diet. So getting this kind of magazines, tips from the specialists, Dr. Ansari has mentioned a couple of pages about how to take care of your lungs in the routine day-to-day life. So such kind of tips would certainly help the society, and these kind of magazines would have a good impact on everybody who has some time to think about health. And you all agree, nothing is more important than health. Thank you very, very much for calling me for this wonderful evening. Thank you, Razada. Congratulations. And I'm sure your magazine will be a great success. Thank you.
From Bangalore Medical College, and he is here in this August gathering. So over to you.
One day Kuldeep called me and said, "Ye karna hai, sab karna hai, sab, wo bhi karenge, ye bhi karenge." He never stops. I don't know where he gets the energy, but anyway. So he called me and said, "You have to write the editorial to a health magazine." I said, "Okay." And then I asked him, "What is this health magazine you're writing about?" And he said, "No, we want to spread the healthy lifestyle to everyone." I said, "Good." So when I go to the gym every day. So we meet so many people, they come to know that I am a doctor. Immediately they ask, "Oh doctor, how do we manage to lose weight? What do we do? What is your mantra for losing weight?" I said, "My mantra is very simple. Eat what you need."
I request all our dignitaries to please pose with the wonderful magazine in your hand for a photo opportunity. So there you have it, ladies and gentlemen. What a wonderful health and wellness magazine. Yes, Karan, Rob, Elor, all the very best. So there you have, ladies and gentlemen, our eminent dignitaries holding.
హెల్త్ మంచిగా ఉంటే మనం అన్ని పనులు మంచిగా చేసుకోవచ్చు. సో ఈ హెల్త్ని ఉద్దేశించి ప్రతి ఒక్కరికి ఇంపార్టెన్స్ తెలియజేయడానికి కొరకు ఈ హెల్త్ అండ్ వెల్నెస్ మ్యాగజైన్ మిస్టర్ కుల్దీప్ రాజ్దా ఫౌండర్ హ్యాస్ స్టార్టెడ్ దిస్ అండ్ ఐ కంగ్రాచులేట్ హిమ్. చాలా అవసరము మన ప్రజలకి. ముఖ్యంగా చాలామంది హెల్త్ను అశ్రద్ధ చేస్తూ ఉంటారు. ఏం చేయాలి అని అంటే డైలీ నడవడిక ఎలా చేస్తే బాగుంటుంది, హెల్తీగా ఉండగలుగుతాము, వెల్నెస్ ఎలా ఉండగలుగుతామని తెలియజేయడానికి హై అండ్ డాక్టర్స్ అంటే ఇంటలెక్చువల్ డాక్టర్స్ వాళ్ళందరినీ ఇంట్రడ్యూస్ చేసి వాళ్ళ ద్వారా హెల్త్ టిప్స్ అందజేయడం ఈ హెల్త్ మ్యాగజైన్ ద్వారా జరుగుతుంది. అలాగే హెల్తీగా ఉన్న వాళ్ళు కూడా వాళ్ళు ఎలా హెల్తీగా ఉన్నారు అని తెలియజేస్తూ దాన్ని కూడా ఉదాహరణగా తీసుకొని జనరల్ పబ్లిక్, కామన్ పీపుల్ దాన్ని ఉపయోగపడుతుందనే ఉద్దేశంతో ఈ హెల్త్ మ్యాగజైన్ స్టార్ట్ చేయడం జరిగింది. ఐ కంగ్రాచులేట్ హిమ్ అండ్ ఐ విష్ హిమ్ ఆల్ ద వెరీ బెస్ట్. Thank you.
Of India, possibly like it brings the opportunity for the people to understand how you can maintain the good health with keeping all your body maintained very well, and we bring with all the different disciplines of doctor to bring you the best of the knowledge what they have it to in a very simplified way where you can understand, not in terms of the medical technology, medical science, but in a very simplified way. So the medical healthcare magazine, what you will see, it's for general, for everybody, for any age group that you have, you will enjoy it. Thank you.
రోజు మేము ఒక కొత్త మ్యాగజైన్ హెల్త్ కేర్ ఇండియా అని చెప్పి లాంచ్ చేస్తున్నాము. సో బేసిక్లీ ఏంటంటే అండి, మనకి ఇప్పుడు ఫేస్బుక్, సోషల్ మీడియా, ఎవ్రీవేర్ యూ గో దెర్ ఇస్ జస్ట్ టూ మచ్ ఆఫ్ ఇన్ఫర్మేషన్. ఒకరోజు వైటమిన్ డి అంటారు, ఒకరోజు కీటో డయట్ అంటారు, ఒకరోజు దే ఆర్ సేయింగ్ సమ్ అదర్ డయట్. సో వి రియలీ డోంట్ నో వాట్ టు ఫాలో. అండ్ దెన్ వన్ డే దే విల్ సే కుకింగ్ ఆయిల్స్. సో one day you're using olive oil, the next day they're saying peanut oil. So we get too much information and we're bombarded with too much information. So the whole idea of this magazine is to streamline, to make a balance. Like it will be medical stories from senior doctors in the field across the country, and also a lot of wellness information, facts from nutritionists. Atlante, tomorrow when you pick up the magazine, all the confusion is gone. So you can do this, you cannot do that. So we've curated information from different people, like experts from the field, just to ensure that everything that you read, and hopefully we'll be able to just give it to you with a lot of clarity. Thank you.
Magazine by Akriti Publishers has come up very well. The first issue has come up very well, and inlo mem chala health related issues, beauty related issues, fitness related, ఏదైనా health, not only healthy living but also fitness, well-being, overall mental peace and happiness ఎలా మనకు సాటిస్ఫాక్టరీ లెవెల్లో ఎట్లా తీసుకురాగలుగుతామో ఆ ఇన్ఫర్మేషన్ ఇద్దామని మా కోరిక. అండ్ ఇట్ ఆల్ ఇంప్రూవ్స్ లైఫ్ స్టైల్స్ ఆఫ్ ద పీపుల్, అండ్ దట్స్ ఆల్. ఐ వాంట్ టు రిఫ్లెక్ట్ దిస్ what Sindhu and Kuldeep said, and we hope to give our best with these Healthcare India magazines. Thank you.
Banjaris Road number 2. This magazine will really give a lot of information regarding the health issues, and I myself want to contribute so much of subject and this thing as a preventive pediatrics. There are so many things which people doesn't know how to prevent the diseases, especially by giving vaccines and other aspects of the disease. Many people will come with a Google information to our clinic and they say this is. I said don't check the Google before coming to me. If you check Google and don't come to a doctor, that gives all wrong information. As she said, one day they say this thing, that thing, vitamin D3, B12, iron, take egg today. Tomorrow somebody says don't take egg. Somebody says take plenty of ghee. Somebody says don't ghee. Like other things to reduce the cholesterol. There was so much for using statins. Now they say the statins will make you diabetic. So there is no use of taking. So such things. So we have to give a lot of information through this hard copy to the public. I want to focus on preventive pediatrics, especially how to prevent diseases, how to improve the child's health positively. This is my contribution to the magazine.
Thank you so much. Thank you.